Let's talk about the 4 must-have skills that you need to know to be a great line cook. And you will know the true story of my journey and my hiring process with the JW Marriott Indianapolis. On July 27th, 2018, the day when I landed in the USA with a lot of doubt, fear, and also with lots of hope to do better work at my job and my life. Generally, it was a super new place for me, and I just graduated from my college in India. And right after, I had a chance in a lifetime opportunity to go this country, and since then a lot of things had happened. So let's have a closer look at how a culinary teams operate here in the America and what skills that I have learned. But before, don't forget to smash the like button for this YouTube algorithm, and it's completely free and highly appreciated for you. What's up you guys, it's Preetham here. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm a professional cook based in the USA, currently working at a healthcare. So on the very first day, there was a person already waiting for us at the airport to meet us and take us back to the hotel. Here, I must tell you one important thing, that if you're going to go here in a J1 visa and working in a hotel or resort, you will be given a 10 to 14 days of accommodation on your property, and after that, you will have to have your own accommodation. So always remember that first 10 to 14 days, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, it's really critical to find an accommodation. So after checking in JW Marriott, I got my room on the 28th floor, where you can see as far as your eyes go, and it made me really smile all of a sudden. I forgot the painful 29 hours of long flight that I had to take. On the next day after our orientation, where we all get to see the full hotel and visit all the department, like how the operations work there. So a huge thing happened. Somehow I was selected to work in an Italian restaurant of that hotel's restaurant called Osteria Pronto. Believe me, it changed the way I think about cooking, teamwork, and my limited knowledge about the kitchen just vanished after I joined OP, which we call our restaurant in short, by the way. Here at the JW Marriott, I learned from various great cooks and managers. Our executive sous chef and the sous chef were the rock star of that restaurant. I learned a great deal from them, and here I must tell you that I am still learning every day, in and day out. As I say that I'm still learning, and I wanted you to know that what it takes to work in a kitchen like Osteria Pronto, or what it takes like to work in a hotel like JW Marriott in the United States. Number 1 is knowing the fundamentals and the following directions. So the line cook is responsible for taking menu set by the executive chef or chef de cuisine and making it a reality. You have to fulfill the requirements for each dish quickly, consistently, and precisely. I mean, they are answering to the chef by the order and ultimately to the customer, those who eat the foods. A thorough mastery of basic cooking skills and skills like portioning, meat and vegetables, preparing the emulsification or simmering grains, all are expected and required for this position. So the line cook usually set up at one particular station on a given night, maybe mixing sauces or running a grill, maybe saute station for example, but they have to be adaptable. So the question of the day is, what kind of job you would like to do after graduation? Let me know on the comments below. Number 2 is working efficiency. There is never enough time in the kitchen, and trust me, believe me, I know that. Customers are expecting their meal in a timely fashion, and management places demands on the entire service team, including the kitchen team. So a line cook must be exceptionally efficient to keep things flowing smoothly in their station, and anyone who wants to be advanced to a higher line will have to demonstrate an ability to handle all the demands on his or her attention while remaining in a constant motion. And an efficient line cook will be moving quickly with the purpose while communicating well with the others on the line, so they know that what you are doing, what you are preparing on, and the rest of the kitchen staff need to know that how your preparation is progressing to their timely manner. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for YouTube algorithm. Number 3 is ambition and dedication. This is the most important. Typically, a line cook works long hours and start a low level of pay, and an entry-level restaurant job rarely includes the benefits or the vacation time. The learning curve is really steep, and in such fast-paced environment, and blending into a lightly knit professional culture is really challenging, believe me. It is hard work to reach higher levels of prestige and income. However, you hope to become a sous chef or executive chef or a restaurant manager. Beginning as a line cook is a wise career choice in my opinion, because I did it and I look forward to become a corporate chef someday. Number 4 is mental sharpness. Sometimes, above all else, remember, the cook has to be mentally sharp. He or she must remember not only the steps in preparation of multiple menus and the items, but also the exact flavor profile of each dish. The cook must be able to adjust the reach that flavor goal consistently. Remember, it is the key. He or she must be able to mentally sort out the catalog of multiple preparation simultaneously, as the tickets are called off in a rapid succession by the expeditor, and never fails to remember where each dish is process of the cooking. Timing is all about this mental sharpness. So that is all for today, and feel free to check out my other videos related to my work, and I believe you will be understanding a lot about hospitality overall, and you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.